to my channel. It's your girl Wendy and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be about eyebrow trimming. I'm going to show you guys how I trim my eyebrow myself. Okay, so as you can see, my eyebrows are a bit bushy. So I'm about to trim it. So if you are interested in this, if you're interested in how I get my eyebrows snatched, everything trimmed, please stay tuned.
So I start by wiping my eyebrows and making sure that it is clean and neat. Then I go in with my spoolie brush to comb the hairs and make sure that they are in place. And then I clean the trimmer, make sure that the trimmer is clean also. As you can see, I just lifted the arch of my eyebrow. This will enable me to see the proper shape of my eyebrows. Okay, so and then I gently take off some hair under the arched eyebrow. Then I wipe it off with the wipes. I go in again with my trimmer to take off the excess hair on top of the brow and underneath the brow. Then I come back again with my spoolie brush to clean and make sure that everything is in place. So the whole point is to get your eyebrows neatly done by yourself. Then I go in again with my spoolie to make sure that everything is clean and smooth. As you can see, there's a difference between my left eyebrow and then my right eyebrow. My right eyebrow is still bushy and then the left one is well trimmed. So as you can see, my left eyebrow is well trimmed and my right eyebrow is still bushy. So I'll still repeat the same process that I did for my left eye to my right eye. Okay, so you gently raise your eyebrows, the arch of your eyebrow, and then trim it. Yes, so as you do this, you have to take your time because the razor on the trimmer is very sharp. So you might want to take your time to do this very carefully. And see, we are done with both eyebrows and both of them has been trimmed nicely.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment and share with all your friends. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah. Bye.